Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate Don't Disturb in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That is, you can mute calls and alerts in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s using Don't Disturb. Do not disturb. Just go to the settings in your phone first and go to notifications. Then here select do not disturb and turn on the do not disturb button here, and here you can customize the timing, okay, schedule, okay. Just turn on and click here, and you can select every days or some particular days, and start time. Just set the start time of don't disturb and click on end time on the next day, okay, and click save. So between this time your phone will not get disturbed. That is, you will not get disturbed by your phone. You will not get any calls or any notifications. You can also set some exceptions, okay. For example, if you receive some important calls, just click here and click on calls, and here you can select contacts only, okay. Allow do not disturb and don't disturb exceptions, so calls will be allowed, okay. Favorite calls only. Then you have to set the favorite call, and those favorite calls will only be allowed, okay. Then if you select all calls will be received, okay. If you select none, no call will be received, because it is in do not disturb mode, okay. Repeat calls, allow calls when they are received from the same phone more than once within 15 minutes. More than once a call will be received from the same phone number, then that will be received, okay. That will disturb you actually, okay. Just turn it off if you don't wish to do it, and click on messages. Here also you can set the exceptions, like all messages. If you want to receive it, select all, otherwise contacts only or favorite contacts only, okay. So choose from the options that you want to. Then conversation, this is also have three options: all, priority conversations, then none, okay. So in this way you can here set the exceptions. Then alarms and sound, here alarm sound turn on or turn off. If you turn off everything, no will be received, okay. That is, alarm sound will not be received, media sound will not be received during those do not disturb time, touch sounds will not be received, calendar events will not be received, reminders will not be received, okay. Click on hide notifications. Here also you can customize during the do not disturb mode, okay. Just turn on hide all. That means all notifications will be hidden during do not disturb mode. So in this way you can control many things in the do not disturb mode. Just you can set up do not disturb mode for particular timing, and during those time you can just customize what you want and what not you want, and then just leave it, and as per your design it will follow, your phone will follow you, and you will not get disturbed unwantedly. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.